Hello everyone! In this video I will show you how to fire up your traditional Finnish sauna. Let's take a look. Saunas are a very important part of Finnish lifestyle. Nearly every house and apartment complex has a sauna. This one is mine. My cat also enjoys the sauna, so she must be a sauna cat then. Most commonly, saunas work by either wood or electricity. My sauna uses wood, so we need to gather some from the wood storage tree. My sauna is quite small, so it doesn't need that much wood. Make sure not to stack the fireplace full at first. Sauna of this size will usually be warm in about 30 minutes, so just let it warm up a bit. Add some more wood if needed. Sauna is now ready to be enjoyed.